This is the cheapest Galaxy AI phone that you can get right now. Boys! I got the chance to test out the brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and also two brand new tablets from Samsung, which is the S10 Plus and also S10 Ultra. So let's get into it. Okay, let's start with the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE first. The phone is seriously powerful but comes with seriously cheaper price tag. It got a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display with Full HD Plus resolution. You can bring the refresh rate between 60Hz and 120Hz. So whether you're watching videos, scrolling through social media like TikTok or Instagram, or gaming, everything looks super smooth. The brightness can go up to 1002 nits, so even in bright sunlight, you don't have any issue using it outdoors. Now, for the chipsets, it's running on the Exynos 24000E, which is more than enough to handle any games or application you throw at it. Sure, it's a downclocked version of the previous Exynos on the S24, but it's still solid for multitasking or even playing games. There is an 11% larger vapor chamber, which means it won't overheat even if using it for a long period of time. The 47,000 mAh battery is also a highlight on this phone. You don't need to worry about running out of juice anytime soon. Even for a heavy user, it can last a whole day. Now, for the camera, the S24 FE comes with pretty good camera, flagship level camera, and also comes with AI flagship level features. Now, there is a telephoto mode and portrait mode that looks stunning thanks to the AI enhancement. Even though I don't have any footage of showing the AI features, things like live translate, AI editing are here. Also, I forgot to mention to you guys, this is the cheapest Galaxy AI phone that you can get right now. Under 3,000 ringgit, I think this is insanely good. Galaxy AI is like really helpful, so if you're planning to use Galaxy AI a lot, this is really a good choice. Also, the phone durability is also top-notch. IP68 water and dust resistant and aluminium frame, and also Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Another cool things that I love about Samsung phone is like probably the software support, which is for the S24 FE, it comes with 7 years OS update, which is insane. If you're planning to use a phone for quite some time, this is probably one of the best phone you can get right now. Now that we have covered the S24 FE, now let's get into the two tablets, the S10 Plus and also the S10 Ultra. It is quite an interesting tablet. For the tablet, these are some big devices. The Tab S Ultra has 14.6-inch display, while the S10 Plus comes with 12.4-inch screen. Both tablets use dynamic AMOLED 2x display with 60:10 aspect ratio, so they are perfect for watching videos or getting work done. One cool features on both tablets is the anti-reflection technology. There's also new dialogue booster features which makes voice clearer when you're watching video on YouTube or Netflix. This tablet are powered by MediaTek Dimensity 93000 Plus chip, which is crazy fast. Plus, they comes with even larger vapor chamber, so they stay cool even during heavy use. Just like the S24 FE, both tablets are IP68 water and dust resistant, and they also built with armor aluminium, which is 10 times tougher than previous model. The S Pen also has been upgraded with AI. You can use it for drawing, sketching, and there is also an AI feature that helps you refine your sketches over other images. There's also the classic circle to search function, which is a circle to search. Just circle something and you can find Google image of the product you're looking for. Also, the camera aren't bad either. You get 30 megapixel and 8 megapixel setup on the back and 12 megapixel dual camera setup on the front. And of course, like always, Galaxy AI. Just like the previous model before this, it comes with Galaxy AI, so you can use any of those Galaxy AI features on this tablet, which is nice. So like always, what do you guys think about the brand new Samsung product? Would you guys buy it or skip it? Like always, don't forget to like, share, and comment. That's all. Bye-bye.